Hello guys, my name is Shahid and today we are going to talk about the Twitter new feature which is called Fleet. Fleet is similar to the other application story option, so it's kind of a story, but Twitter name it is a Fleet. So today we are going to learn how to use this new feature. So please watch the video till the end. And first of all, when you open your Twitter application, you will see at the up there is a menu now appear, a new one. If your application are not updated, please go to the Play Store and update your application, then you will got this one. I hope everybody already got this option. So as you can see, the people or the pages that you already follow, you can see their Fleet. So once you click on the Fleet, it's like Twitter Fleet. As you can see, there are many fleets, as you can see. If you click on the right of your screen, it will go to the next. If you click on the left of your screen, you can watch actually again from the beginning or to the previous Fleet as well. So this is how you can do it. So now how we can use the Fleet option. So once you click on the add option, guys, the first option is the text Fleet. Here you can write text. Just tap on the screen and as you can see, you can type your text here. Any text that is, you can see I'm typing, and you can align your text. You can bold your text by using this option. You can even change the background of your text by this option as well. You can even change the color of the background of the text as well by this option. And if you want to zoom in the text, you can use both your finger to zoom in and zoom out. Once you're done, then you can post your text Fleet like this. This is how we can do it. So now the next option is that how you can add pictures and videos into your Fleet. So once I click on add again, and here at the bottom menu, you can see there is gallery, there is capture. You can simply just go to your gallery and select any picture, like I selected this one, and then you can change the background by clicking on this option. You can add a text as well, anything like you can add text here, and the same option will go for this one. You can make it bold, you can change the background, you can change the color of the background of the text. So this is how you can do, and you can even like zoom it or the same things that then you will just click on the Fleet will be added to your profile. So now when I click on it, the first one was text and the second one is the picture. So that if you don't like your Fleet and you want to delete it, the first thing is that there is a down arrow. You can just click on it and just delete. You will find the option at the bottom, delete Fleet. So you will delete it and the Fleet will be deleted, and you can do the same with the next one, and you can delete the Fleet as well. So this is how you can delete it. So one more important thing I want to tell you guys, that Fleets will be public if your profile is public. So if your profile is public, the Fleets will be public, so everybody can see it. If your profile is private, then only your followers and the people you follow can see that. So this is how it works. I hope you like the video, guys, and for more informative videos about technology and tech, please like and subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.